Have you ever needed to remove background from an image but didn't want to spend money on expensive software? Today I'm going to show you how to do it for free using tools accessible on both Mac and Windows. Before we start, let me know in the comments, have you ever tried background removal tools before? If so, please pause this video for a second and comment down which one. That would be really helpful for all of us as a community. Great, let's dive in. Hello guys, this is Azam Gill and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. So our first tool is remove.bg. AI-powered website that simplifies background removal. So open your browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Go to remove.bg. Click on Upload Image and select the photo you want to edit. In just few seconds, the background is automatically removed. Now click Download to save your new image. As you can see, remove.bg quickly and accurately removes backgrounds without any manual effort. Have you used this tool before? If so, I'll request you to share your personal experience in the comments. Next up is Adobe Express, a free online tool that is both powerful and user-friendly. Click Upload your photo and choose the image. The tool automatically removes the background. Use the editing options to refine your image if needed. Now click Download to save the edited image. Adobe Express not only removes the background but also offers additional editing features to enhance your image. If you have used this before or are planning to, I'll request to ask you which feature do you find most helpful here. Let me know down in the comments. And other excellent tool is Photo Room, which provides both online and desktop applications. Visit Photo Room's background remover in your browser and upload your image. The background is removed automatically. Use the available tools to add new backgrounds or effects. Now download your edited image. Photo Room offers creative options beyond background removal, allowing you to customize your images further. Have you tried adding new backgrounds with this tool? I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section. Lastly, let's explore PixelCut, a versatile tool available online. Navigate to PixelCut's background remover in your browser. Click Upload Image and select your photo. The tool automatically removes the background. Use the editing features to adjust your image as desired. Download the final image. PixelCut provides a straightforward interface with additional editing capabilities to perfect your images. Again, what's your favorite feature in the PixelCut? Let me know down in the comments. And there you have it, 4 free and easy to use tools to remove backgrounds from your images on both Mac and Windows. Which tool are you most excited for? Comment down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. For now, I, Azam Gill, is signing off. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.